Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should start with the video open in a supported browser or app. This is essential. Once the video is playing, make sure you're not in an extension-blocked mode and right-click the video twice to reveal the context menu. You'll see picture-in-picture. Click it. If you're on mobile, tap the home gesture or use the Pi-P control from the notification shade. This begins the Pi-P window so you can keep watching while switching apps or tabs. Once your Pi-P window appears, you'll want to control placement and playback. Drag the mini-player to any screen corner and resize if your platform allows, because proper positioning keeps it out of the way. Make use of the small transport controls for quick play, pause, or skipping. If you need captions or playlist controls, return to the original tab. If you use keyboard shortcuts on desktop, learn them for speed. These steps let you multitask while keeping the video accessible. To finish, simply close the Pi-P window or go back to the YouTube tab to resume full viewing. This ends the floating session cleanly. If picture-in-picture doesn't appear, make sure your browser or app is up to date and temporarily disable extensions that block video pop-outs. On mobile, verify Pi-P permissions and system settings. Sometimes you must enable Allow Picture-in-Picture. If issues persist, restarting the browser or device usually resolves stubborn permission or extension conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.